Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best lunchbox with water bottle set for kids on the market, the Fimibuke Kids Bento Lunchbox Set. If you're a parent searching for a practical, stylish, and all-in-one lunch solution for your little ones, this might be exactly what you need. The Fimibuke lunch set comes as a complete package designed to make packing lunches and snacks easy and efficient. What sets this set apart is its thoughtful inclusion of everything you need in one box. A 4-compartment bento lunchbox. A 14-ounce insulated stainless steel water bottle, an insulated lunch bag, a reusable ice pack, a sauce jar, utensils, and a beautifully designed gift box. This makes it perfect for kids aged 3 to 12, whether they're heading to daycare, preschool, kindergarten, or elementary school. Let's start with the lunchbox itself. It boasts a generous capacity of 41 ounces and features 4 individual compartments. These compartments are ideal for packing a balanced meal, keeping foods like sandwiches, fruits, veggies, pasta, or desserts neatly separated. Each compartment is sealed with an airtight lid, employing snug fit technology that ensures the box is 100% leak-proof. This means you won't have to worry about juices or sauces spilling and mixing during transit. The bento box is also designed for convenience, as it's dishwasher safe on the top rack, freezer safe, and the tray inside is microwave safe, offering flexibility for reheating food. Moving on to the water bottle, the Fimibuke set includes a 14-ounce stainless steel insulated bottle with double-wall vacuum insulation. This bottle is engineered to keep drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. It features seal zone technology on the lid to guarantee that it is leak-proof and spill-proof, which is especially important for active kids on the go. The bottle also has a sturdy, wide rotating handle, making it easy for children to carry around without worrying about messes. Plus, the colorful cartoon designs like dinosaurs and unicorns make it appealing and fun for kids to stay hydrated throughout the day. The insulated lunch bag included in the set complements the lunchbox and water bottle perfectly. Made with 4 layers of insulation, this lunch bag maintains the temperature of your child's food and drinks, keeping them fresh for hours. The reusable ice pack further enhances this cooling effect. The bag's lightweight design and comfortable handle make it easy for kids to carry. Additionally, its waterproof and dirt-resistant outer fabric ensures durability and easy cleaning, making it a practical choice for everyday use. In terms of materials and safety, every component in the Fimibuke lunch set is made from premium, food-grade materials that are BPA-free, odorless, and non-toxic. The lunchbox is made from polypropylene, silicone, and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, all chosen for their durability and safety. This means parents can feel confident that their kids are using a product that meets high safety standards while being built to last through daily use. The Fimibuke Kids Bento Lunchbox Set is more than just a lunch carrier. It's a solution that encourages healthy eating habits by allowing parents to pack a variety of foods in separate compartments. It eliminates the need for multiple plastic bags or wraps, which also makes it an environmentally friendly choice. The combination of practicality, durability, and kid-friendly design makes this set an excellent gift for birthdays, holidays, back-to-school seasons, or any occasion where you want to give something both useful and fun. To summarize, the Fimibuke Kids Bento Lunchbox Set is thoughtfully designed to make school lunches hassle-free and enjoyable for both parents and children. Its leak-proof compartments, insulated water bottle, and reliable lunch bag work seamlessly together to keep food fresh, organized, and spill-free throughout the day. If you're looking for a comprehensive lunch set that delivers on quality and style, this could be the perfect choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.